Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use a totem and what they mean, kind of. So there's an Aurora totem, which I guess gives you more luck. And then Sundial totem changes if you're on nighttime, it changes it to daytime. If you're on daytime, it changes to nighttime. It's like speeds up the celestial cycle or something like that. Tempest Totem is for rain, I think. I do have it. So I'm just going to use it and show you guys. To force rain, as you can see, I only have 2, so I can't show a lot. Smoke screen is for fog. Wind set's for wind. Eclipse is to summon an eclipse event. I think Meteor Totem is the same too. Blizzard is to summon snow. Avalanche is to summon avalanche, of course. Zoo Storm is to summon the Zoo Storm. And Poseidon Wrath is to get your more luck if you want to catch like an ancient kraken or something like that. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!